Okay, so good day once again, everyone. So for today, we're going to have a first discussion of Module 1. Okay, so MIS, no, or Advanced Management Information System course. So management information system refers to a computer-based system that is designed to provide managers with the necessary information to make decisions in organizations. So it involves the use of hardware, software, and people to collect, process, store, and distribute data for use in decision making. So the main goal of an MIS is to provide accurate, no, and timely information to managers to help them make better decisions. So the system collects data from various sources within the organizations, processes it into meaningful information, and present it, no, in a format that is easy to understand and use. So MIS typically includes module of various functions such as accounting, finance, sales, marketing, inventory, and human resources. And these modules are interconnected to allow for easy access and sharing of information across, no, different areas or departments. So the use of MIS can help an organization to improve its overall efficiency and effectiveness. So it can help managers to identify problems and opportunities, track performance, monitor trends, and make informed decisions based on data. It also allows for better communications and collaborations among employees, leading to better teamwork and increased productivity. So our first topic for today is about what is organizations management and the network enterprise, or just simply uh, sorry, global business information system today. Wait for a while.
Hello, good day. My name is Francis, and together with Miss Miracle Faith Noki, we will be discussing about global business information systems today. So, we live in an age where technology is advancing at a rapid pace, and businesses that don't adapt to these changes risk being left behind. So, in this presentation, I am going to discuss how information systems are transforming businesses and their relationship to globalization, and why information systems are so crucial for today's corporate operations and management. So, what exactly are information systems? In simple terms, they are a combination of hardware, software, data, and people that work together to manage and process information. Information systems have been around for decades, but recent advances in technology have made them more powerful than ever before. So, Ms. Miracle Faith Noki will discuss further about information system in the part 2 of our presentation. So, one way in which information systems are transforming businesses is through increased efficiency. By using information systems, companies can automate many tasks that would have been previously been done manually. This can save time and money and also reduce the risk of errors. Another way in which information systems are transforming businesses is through increased collaboration. With information systems, people in different parts of the world can work together on the same project in real time. This means that businesses can take advantage of the best talent from around the globe and also be more responsive to customer needs. And in today's digital age, the world is interconnected more than ever before, and businesses are no exception. Global business information systems are designed to provide companies with accurate, relevant, and timely information about their operations, about their customers, the suppliers, and competitors across borders. And the key features of global business information systems include real-time data, cloud-based platforms, and advanced analytics. Real-time data means that companies can access the latest information from anywhere in the world at any time. Cloud-based platforms allow companies to store and access data securely and remotely, while advanced analytics enables them to make data-driven decisions and gain competitive advantages. So, but how do information systems relate to globalization? In many ways, information systems have been a driving force behind globalization. By allowing businesses to connect with people all over the world, information systems have made it possible for companies to operate in a larger scale or global scale. For example, a company in the United States can use information system to communicate with its suppliers in China, then manufacture the product in Malaysia, and then sell those product in with its customer in Europe, then do the back office or the accounting in the Philippines. So this level of globalization would have been almost impossible without the use of information systems. Of course, globalization has its drawbacks as well. One of the biggest challenges is managing cultural differences. Although information systems can help by providing a common language and facilitate communications, but ultimately it's up to the people involved to bridge the cultural gap or cultural divide. So why exactly are information systems so crucial? One way in which information systems are crucial is that they enable companies to make better decisions. With the right information systems in place, companies can gather data from various sources, then analyze it, and use this analysis to make informed decisions. This can lead to more effective use of resources and greater ability to adapt to uh, changing market conditions. And another way in which information systems are crucial is that they help companies stay connected. As I discussed before, with information system, employees in different parts of the world can work together on the same project in real time. This can lead to greater collaboration, increased productivity, and a better overall working environment. Information systems also play a major role in managing supply chain. So by using information systems, companies can track inventories, manage logistics, and coordinate with suppliers, and company can improve their efficiency and reduce costs. This is especially important in today's globalized economy, where supply chains can be incredibly complex. But perhaps the most important reasons why information systems are crucial is that they enable companies to be more responsive to customer needs. So with information systems, companies can gather data about the customer behavior, then the preferences or the feedback. Then they can make some analytics. This information can then be used to tailor products and services that meet the needs of the customers, which can lead to greater customer loyalty and higher profits. And information systems are also a source of competitive advantage for the companies. Companies that invest in advanced information systems and data analytics can gain insights into market trends, customer preferences, and competitor strategies. This enables them to make better decisions and outperform their rivals. For example, companies that use predictive analytics to anticipate customer demands and adjust their pricing and promotion accordingly can increase their sales and profit. So, in summary, information systems are transforming businesses in a variety of ways, from increasing efficiency to enabling global collaboration. While there are challenges associated with globalization, information systems have made it possible for businesses to reach new heights and connect with people all over the world. Information systems are also crucial for today's corporate operation and management because they enable companies to make better decisions, stay connected, manage the supply chain, and be more responsive to customer needs. Companies that don't have the right information systems in place risk falling behind their competitors. Thank you, and I'll turn over now to the next presenter, Miss Miracle Faith. Okay.
Thank you, Sir Francis. So now, let's discuss information technology or IT and information systems or IS. IT and IS are closely related concepts in the context of management information systems or MIS. While they are related, they are not interchangeable terms and have different roles and functions in MIS. Information technology consists of all the hardware and software that a firm needs to use in order to achieve its business objectives. IT encompasses the physical components and tools used to collect, store, manage, and analyze data such as computers, servers, databases, software applications, and networking infrastructure. For example, a company might use an IT system such as a database management system to store and manage data and business intelligence software to analyze the data. Information systems, on the other hand, is a set of interrelated components that collect or retrieve, process, store, and distribute information to support decision making and control in an organization. IS includes the design, development, implementation, and maintenance of information systems that enable the collection, processing, and dissemination of information to support decision making. Here's a brief example of IT and IS. Suppose a retail company wants to improve its customer relationship management or CRM by implementing an information system. The information system could consist of a software application that collects and stores customer data such as purchase history, preferences, and feedback. This system could be integrated with the company's point of sale or POS system and website to automatically capture customer data during transactions and online interactions. The system could also include analytical tools to analyze customer data and provide insights to improve marketing and sales strategies. The company could also use various IT tools such as social media and email marketing to engage with customers and personalize their shopping experience based on their preferences. This example shows how an information system and IT tools can be used in MIS to improve customer relationship management and drive sales. By effectively managing and leveraging customer data, the company can gain insights into customer behavior and preferences, enabling them to tailor their marketing and sales strategies to better serve their customers and improve their bottom line. Information systems contain information about significant people, places, and things within the organization or in the environment surrounding it. In MIS, data and information are two related but distinct concepts. Data is a raw form of knowledge and on its own doesn't carry any significance or purpose. Basically, you have to interpret data for it to have meaning. There are two main types of data: quantitative data, which is provided in numerical form like the weight, volume, or cost of an item, and qualitative data, which is descriptive but non-numerical like the name, gender, or eye color of a person. By information, we mean data that have been shaped into a form that is meaningful and useful to human beings. Essentially, information is the result of analyzing and interpreting pieces of data to derive insights and knowledge that are useful for business operations. Information represents a meaningful interpretation of data that is relevant, timely, accurate, and useful for decision making. It is often presented in a structured format such as reports, dashboards, charts, and graphs that enable users to make informed decisions. To further explore the differences between data and information, Consider these examples of how to turn data into insights or information. A customer's response to an individual customer service survey is a point of data. But when you compile that customer's responses over time and on a grander scheme, multiple customers' responses over time, you can develop insights around areas for improvement within your customer service team. The number of likes on a social media post is a single element of data. When that's combined with other social media engagement statistics like followers, comments, and shares, a company can intuit which social media platforms perform the best and which platforms they should focus on to more effectively engage their audience. In summary, organizations that prioritize collecting data, interpreting it, and putting that information to use can realize significant benefits. When used correctly, data and the information that's gleaned from it can drive smarter and faster business decisions. There are three activities in an information system that produce the information that organizations need to make decisions, control operations, analyze problems, and create new products or services. These activities are input, captures or collects raw data from within the organization or from its external environment. Next is processing, converts raw input into a meaningful form. Lastly is the output, transfers the process information to the people who will use it or to the activities for which it will be used. IS also requires feedback, which is output that is returned to appropriate members of the organization to help them evaluate or correct the input stage. Together, these three activities form the fundamental building blocks of an information system in MIS. As an example, let's say a company wants to implement an information system to track its sales data. Here's how the three activities would work. Input. The information system collects sales data from various sources, such as the company's website, point of sale or POS system, and customer feedback surveys. The system then captures data such as the product sold, the price, the date of sale, and the customer's demographic information. Then, the data is stored in the system's database. Process. The system processes the sales data using various techniques such as data mining and statistical analysis. It applies rules and algorithms to the data to identify patterns, trends, and insights. For example, the system might identify that certain products sell better during specific seasons or that customers of a certain age group tend to buy certain products more often. Output. The system presents the process information in various formats, such as sales reports, dashboards, and alerts. The sales reports show the company's sales performance over a specific period, highlighting trends and patterns. The dashboards provide real-time visualizations of the sales data, such as graphs and charts. The alerts notify decision makers when specific sales targets are met or when there are deviations from expected sales figures. Moreover, the system allows for feedback from employees such as sales representatives to report on customer preferences and feedback on products. The system can also provide feedback to employees such as when a sales target is reached or when a new product is performing well. By collecting and processing sales data, the system can help the company identify opportunities for growth and optimize its sales strategies. The output provided by the system can help decision makers make informed decisions to improve the company's sales performance. The feedback feature also allows for continuous improvement of the information system to make it more effective in meeting the company's needs. To fully understand information systems, we must understand the broader dimensions of systems and their power to provide solutions to challenges and problems in the business environment. These dimensions are organizations, involves the organization's hierarchy, functional specialties, business processes, culture, and political interest groups. Its key elements include people. Organizations require many different kinds of skills and people, like managers, knowledge workers, data workers, and production or service workers. Structure. Organizations coordinate work through a hierarchy, which is often arranged in a pyramid structure, with the upper levels composed of managerial, professional, and technical employees, and the lower levels of operational personnel. Standard operating procedures or SOPs are formal rules that have been developed over a long time for achieving organizational goals. It is where a firm's business processes are based. Organizational politics. People in organizations hold different positions with varying specialties, concerns, and perspectives. As a result, they naturally have diverse opinions on how resources, rewards, and punishments should be divided. Organizational culture. It is a set of fundamental assumptions about what products the business should produce, as well as how, where, and for whom. It is a major impediment to change, particularly technological change. Business functions. The major business functions or specialized tasks performed by business organizations include sales and marketing, manufacturing and production, finance, accounting, and human resources. Next is management. It involves leadership, strategy, and management behavior. Generally, there are classical and behavioral models of managerial behavior. The classical models include planning, which involves setting objectives and determining in advance exactly how the objectives will be met. Organizing, which means delegating and coordinating tasks and allocating resources to achieve objectives. Leading, wherein managers should influence employees to work towards achieving objectives. And controlling, which means managers should establish and implement mechanisms to ensure that objectives are achieved. The behavioral models, on the other hand, include interpersonal roles wherein managers act as figureheads, leaders, and liaisons. Informational roles wherein managers act as nerve centers, disseminators, and spokespersons. And decisional roles wherein managers act as entrepreneurs, disturbance handlers, resource allocators, and negotiators. Lastly, we have information technology. It is the tool used by managers to deal with change. It consists of computer hardware, which is the physical equipment used for input, processing, and output activities in an information system. Computer software, which consists of detailed pre-programmed instructions that control and coordinate the work of computer hardware components in an information. Data management technology, which consists of the software governing the organization of data on physical storage media. And lastly, we have networking and telecommunications technology, which includes physical devices and software that links the various pieces of hardware and transfers data from one physical location to another. All these technologies collectively form the firm's IT infrastructure that provides the foundation or platform on which the firm can build its specific information systems. The study of information systems is a multidisciplinary field. No single theory or perspective dominates. The various contemporary approaches to MIS development are technical approach. This emphasizes mathematically based models to study information systems, as well as the physical technology and formal capabilities of these systems. It is often used for developing large-scale, complex information systems. Behavioral approach. This concentrates on changes in attitudes, management and organizational policy, and behavior. It emphasizes the need to involve users in the development process to understand their needs and preferences, and to design systems that are user-friendly and easy to use. Socio-technical approach or perspective. Here, optimal organizational performance is achieved by jointly optimizing both the social and technical systems used in production. It emphasizes the need to design information systems that support the social and organizational context in which they will be used. Overall, Each approach has its strengths and weaknesses, and the choice of approach depends on factors such as the nature of the information system, the organizational context, and the development team's skills and preferences. That concludes our report on global business information systems today. Provided are the references. Thank you.
So thank you very much. No? Uh, the global information system refers to the use of information technology to support the global business operation. So it includes a wide range of technologies such as enterprise resource planning, supply chain management, customer relationship management, and business intelligence, among others. So today, the global business information system, has become essentials, for organizations operating in a globalized economy. So it enables organizations to manage their operations across borders and time zones, and to communicate and collaborate with employees, partners, and customers around the world. So the advancement in digital technology have led, to the emergence of new technologies and platforms that are changing the way global business information system is used. Let's say, for example, the use of cloud computing has enabled organizations to store and access data and applications from anywhere in the world, while the use of mobile devices was allowed employees to work remotely and stay connected to their colleagues and customers. So the use of big data analytics and artificial intelligence has also revolutionized, the global business information system, enabling organizations to analyze large amount of data to gain insights into customer behavior, market trends, and operational performance. This has helped organizations to make better decisions, improve efficiency, and reduce costs. However, the increasing reliance of global business information system has also raised concern about data privacy and security, as well as the need for skilled IT professionals to manage and maintain these systems. Global business information system is an essential component of modern global business operation, and its continued development and evolution will be crucial for organizations to remain competitive and successful in the years ahead. So email, online conferencing, and cell phones have all become essential business tools. Fast-paced supply chains are built on information system. Many businesses can buy, sell, advertise, and solicit customer feedback online, and thanks to internet, right? Because organizations are attempting to become more competitive and efficient by digitizing their core business processes and transforming themselves into digital firm. The internet has accelerated globalization by significantly lowering the cost of manufacturing, purchasing, and selling goods on a global scale. So the emerging mobile digital platform, online software as a service, and cloud computing are example of new information system trends. Today, information systems are the foundation of conducting business. So without extensive use of information technology, survival and the ability to achieve a strategic business goals are difficult in many industries. Today's business use information system to achieve 6 major goals: operational excellence, new products, services, and business models, customer or supplier intimacy, improved decision-making, competitive advantage, in a day-to-day survival. An information system, from a technical standpoint, collect, stores, and disseminate information from an organization's environment and internal operations to support organizational function, decision-making, communication, coordination, control, analysis, and visualization. Our presenter mentioned about the input, processing, and output are the 3 basic activities that information system use to transform raw data into useful information. Because an information system is a combination of management, organizational, and technological elements that provides a solutions to a firm's problem or challenges. Leadership, strategy, and management behavior are all aspects of the management dimension of information system. Computer hardware, software data, management technology, and networking telecommunications technology, including the internet, comprise the technology dimension. And the organization dimension of information system is concerned with issues such as the organization's hierarchy, functional specialties, business processes, is concerned. Okay. Of course, the organizational dimension of information system is concerned with issues such as the organization's hierarchy, functional specialties, business process, culture, and political interest groups. So, to derive meaningful value from information system, organization must complement their technology investment with appropriate organizational and management investment. New business models and processes, supportive organizational culture and management behavior, and appropriate technology standards, regulations, and laws are example of complementary assets. New investment in information technology are unlikely to yield high returns unless businesses make the necessary managerial and organizational changes to support the technology. And the study of information system addresses issues and insights from technical and behavioral disciplines. Computer science, management science, and operations research are disciplines that contribute to the technical approach that focuses on formal models and system capabilities. Psychology, sociology, and economics are disciplines that contribute to the behavioral approach, which focuses on the design, implementation, management, and business impact of the system. So, a socio-technical view of system takes into account both technical and social aspect of a system, as well as solutions that represent the best fit between them. So I think that's it for chapter 1.